Hello, my fellow eggheads. This is Liz. I'm a certified computer repair technician. Today we're going to go over what to do when you are getting a RAM not detected error. Let's get into it.
So with my computer unplugged, I'm going to now unplug the battery because I want no power running into the board. When this process is done, I'll plug everything back in. For now, I pull the arms to the side and pull out my RAM stick. Now I'm going to take a computer duster and I'm going to dust out the port. I've included a link down below for the kind of computer dusters I recommend, because sometimes you guys ask me later on when I could have just included a link for you guys, so sorry about that. I'm going to reseat the RAM, which it's called, which means just plugging it back in firmly, because a loose RAM stick can cause this error, and also a dusty RAM port. So we're going to go through these two steps first because it's the simplest. As you can see, I removed the other RAM stick and now I'm dusting that outside out too. So we're going to put it back together and you're going to test to see if this resolves the issue. If it doesn't, I've included the next step in the troubleshooting process in the description down below, because in most cases this will resolve the issue, but in rarer cases sometimes further troubleshooting is necessary, which is why I've included the video in the description down below.
So that's how you do it. If you have any questions, concerns, or comments, feel free to leave them down below. But from one egghead to another egghead, this is Liz signing out.